Namaha everybody. Welcome again to the Golden Realm Message series, in which we start with a meditation technique and move on to the guidances and suggestions through oracle or tarot cards. This is our part 2 of Golden Realm Message series, and I hope you have practiced the first meditation given to you in part 1, which was breathing from third eye. Now today, let's take this few steps forward. So you'll close your eyes, sit straight, breathe normally and relax your body and mind, and breathe from your third eye for the next 2 minutes that you've been doing up till now. You may feel light, brightness, vibration, itching, etc., and that's perfectly fine. Once you are able to breathe from your third eye and you feel that vibration, softly affirm with voice, I am light. I am light. I am light. I am light for everyone and everything. I am light for everyone and everything. I am light for everyone and everything. Stay with this light at the third eye for the next 10, 15, 20 seconds before you move to your heart center, which is between your chest. You can stop the video here and practice the steps till now and come back again. Now breathe from your heart center for the next 3 to 5 minutes. And once done, you'll be affirming, I am love. I am love. I am love. I am love for everyone and everything. I am love for everyone and everything. I am love for everyone and everything. You may feel some sensation in your body, some sound you may hear, some brightness or vibration you may feel, or maybe any other experience at your heart center, maybe at other part of the body. Stay with that sensation for the next 20 seconds. Once done, for the next 10 seconds, see both the centers, the third eye and your heart center. The vibration, the color, the brightness, whatever you are able to feel. You have just now connected with the mind and spirit of the universe by breathing from your third eye and by breathing from your heart center and affirming that you are light and you are love. You are light for everyone and everything. You are love for everyone and everything. Thanking Mother Earth and the universe to be always there to provide your needs and providing that security to you, that guidance to you, you can open your eyes. That's how you finish the meditation. This is the second part of the meditation. By the time we'll finish the whole meditation in our Golden Realm series, you'll be able to heal a lot of your trauma from the past, known, unknown. You'll be able to heal the ancestral karmic debts that you have. A foundational healing will be happening. You yourself will feel a lot of lightness, peace, better sleep, better health, better decision making, and a lot of connectivity with your body, mind and spirit. You'll be able to feel your aura, you'll be able to see your light body, and you'll be able to cleanse your 3 key centers in the body. So we'll move forward with the other part of the meditation in the next video. But now we'll move on with our Golden Realm message from the cards. So your messages are, The first message is Brahma. So we all know Brahma is known as the creator of life. So we create when there is nothing. So if you remember in the last part of the Golden Realm message, part 1 basically, so we had 4 messages to start afresh, to have that innocence of learning, being curious, and that ended with expecting magic and being very clear about our motives. Now in this part 2, our first card, which is of Brahma, says you are the creator and you're creating your life. Once your motives are clear, once you are out of your I, me, myself, you have grown, and that wisdom helps you to create something amazing from your life. A lot of balancing has happened in your life, so it is a fresh start that you can give to your life in the next 7 days. Also be ready to receive. You may be somebody who has always given, but this point of time the universe wants to give you. So are you open? Is your heart open? Today we have learned how to breathe from heart, and we are affirming that we are light and we are love for everyone and everything. So that actually means, what it actually means is just be open, be receptive, because the universe and the divine wants to help you. You may be a giver, but this is time for you to receive, because you have finished one phase, you are ready to create, and new ideas, support, protection, abundance, money, health, better decision making, all of it is actually waiting for you. Why? Because the third card talks about Mother Earth healing herself. And when Mother Earth heals herself, she's balancing that giving and taking. She has been an amazing giver, a provider, but what are we giving to her? So as we are opening our receiving, we need to give out more to Mother Earth by protecting animals, birds, helping a needy, really taking care of water, trees, doing everything possible that can really help Mother Earth heal herself and her children. So Mother Earth coming in between at the third, as our third message from the shamans, is actually an indicator that it is high time for us to balance that giving and taking. Mother Earth is ready to give you, but what are you ready to give Mother Earth? You might have given a lot to many people in your life, but have you given anything to balance your give and take with the divine, with the soul, with Mother Earth? This week is that time. And that finishes up with the fourth message, which says you may feel a little out of control, but it is time for you to really connect back to your soul, the divine, the universe, and ask for inspiration, because the very first card talked about Brahma, being the creator, finishing a phase of your life. So you're about to create something new is about to happen in your life, because you are at zero and now you'll be starting your journey, and give and take has to be balanced. Be ready, let the universe work in your life. You may feel you are out of sync because this is a transition period that is happening, and when something new has to come up from in our life, or something new we are creating, there's a lot of imbalance, and you may feel that a lot of things are not in sync and universe is not helping you out, but that's not the truth. With Pluto getting direct, a lot of transformation has already happened. In these retrograde period, we already have had a lot of reviews, re-strategizing, reassessment, and slowing down, really reassessing our karmic imbalances. So now the whole idea is we already have we are ready for transformation. We may lack inspiration, Go ahead. Divine is ready to give you that inspiration, that great idea, maybe opportunities. But are you ready? Are you still caught up into your past? Are you really ready for a bright future? So this week's message is amazing. And since we are actually breathing from heart and we are trying to open our heart chakra so that we can attract protection, abundance, balance, peace, harmony in our life, let's be totally balanced in terms of giving, taking, balancing our relationship with our soul, balancing our relationship with Mother Earth, balancing our relationship with the divine. Let me know, what do you create this week? I'll be waiting for your comments. Do share this video with all your loved ones, friends, colleagues, etc. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Take care.